Hi, my name is Linda from the WOA Toothbrush campaign team. Users can simply adjust the WOA's brush's angles manually. Just simply slide the switch up and down. It's as simple as that. If you try it out, you'll feel that this is not an ordinary toothbrush. We also extensively researched the carrying and storing aspect of our toothbrushes. As the WOA's brush's angles are adjusted, air will easily flow through. Thus, the users will be able to completely dry their toothbrushes. And we were able to fully develop this toothbrush through constant research. With the love and support of our backers, we'll be able to walk into the production stage of our toothbrush. Also, we'll be able to safely fulfill the shipments. Backers, thank you in advance for your unfailing love and patience through WOA.